Hello, it's Wednesday. Here's the quick maths for today. Most of this, in fact, probably all of this, you've done before. So this is kind of reviewing and revising. The main maths today, though, is all new. Right, so this is the easy bit for today. Let's get on with it. Leah, we're not actually going to work this out. I reckon they can do it at home, but what's the easiest way to do 18 times 8.4?
You do 84 times 18.
Yeah.
But then you put the point, you divide your answer by 10.
Fair enough. Take the point out, do the operation, pop the point back in, divide it by 10 at the end, or count a number and drop a point in, or just work out where the point should go in some way that suits you. Easy one, right? All nice and simple. We'll do it the quick way first, then we'll do it the slow way. No, we're using the quick way. What's the answer?
3/42.
3/42. Now we'll get Izzy to help us out by talking through it. Izzy, 3/7 I can leave alone. What's an easy way to write 6?
6/1.
6/1, and I keep my divide there. What do I do next?
You flip the one in this way
Okay,
and change the divider to a 9.
do I do anything with this?
No.
And then we just go straight across, so we get 3/42. Easy, right? Simple so far. Wow, that looks odd and backwards and upside down and strange, but don't worry, talking of looking strange, we've got Lucia Berry in today who will help us out. So, Lucia, box equals 385 take 70. What would you do first? It's easy, isn't it? This? You do that bit first, and what, bang your answer in the box? Yeah. All right, well, we're not doing that for you. 385 take 70, well, it equals this. You can put the equals in the box wherever you want. On we go. Ridiculously easy. So, all we have to remember is Mrs. M and the points. Because if you don't, also, and it's easy to put the big one at the top. If you don't get your points in a line, it's gone wrong, and so have you. Fill up the gaps with zeros. Easy, right? We're not doing it for you. If you can't add two numbers together, rethink your approach. Don't try to add them up like this. Maybe, think about where you're writing them. Also easy, it's going to have a hole in it. When you line them up, line up your points, fill the hole with a 0, and then add it together. This is easy today, right? It's because the coordinates are going to be really difficult. And some people are going to have a little weep on the floor in a heap, a weeping heap, a heap of weep. Doesn't matter which order I do that in? Does it?
No.
Doesn't it? Does it? Doesn't it?
No.
No, it doesn't matter which order I do it in. Choose your favourite order and then multiply them all together. Ridiculously simple. Also easy, there's no Coop today, he's not feeling good. Let's hope it's not COVID. So we'll pick on Mr. Dennis instead. Mr. Dennis, we only have to remember one thing here, don't we?
You need to get the bottom numbers the same.
And then not. So what do we do with that?
Times that by 2.
Okay, and then we do,
Times 2.
alright, so 3/6, the same as 6/12. Now we can just go across the top numbers. I'm not doing it all for you. Very, very simple. So simple, I'm not even going to mention it. Also very simple. Also very simple, but we'll just check that everyone knows what that means, because I know you're at home lying on the settee, eating cakes. What's the little 2?
Squared.
How do I write 12 squared without the little 2?
12 times 12.
12 times 12, which you should have known years ago. Mr. Burgoyne, looking delightful today, beautiful hair. What does 7 with a little 4 mean?
If you have it as a 3, it's cubed.
Yeah. So we can work across. So 7 with a little 2 would be
Squared.
squared. 7 with a little 3 would be cubed.
Yeah.
7 with a little 4 would be forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, forward. Or quadded. Or quadrified. Or quadrupled. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. 7 with a little 4. Well, think about these. So that would be 7 times 7.
Yeah.
What's that one?
7 times 7 times 7.
And what's that one?
7 times 7 times 7.
Yeah.
Times 7.
Yeah, there should be 4s in it. We should have 4s in it. There should be 4 7s in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. But it isn't 4 times 7. Don't do 4 times 7. It's 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Well, we'll do the first bit, Leo, 7 times 7.
49.
And then we got 49 times 7. And then we got the answer for that, and we times it by 7. And we're not doing it for you. And we're not doing that for you either. All I will say for this is if you don't use number bonds and you line it up, it's going to take an awfully long time. Much quicker to use number bonds, but I'll leave that with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20% times or of doesn't matter. What's 10%, Izzy?
210.
Well, if you know that's 10%, surely you can't go wrong getting yourself to 20%. Surely not. Way too easy. You can leave the point in or take the point out, I don't mind, as long as it's got a point in it at the end. They're even the same. Okay. I reckon work your way across with that and all of this should be fine. And that's the quick maths for today. The pack you've got at home is quite a bit longer. It goes on about twice that far, but it's all easy practice. You can either do half of it today and half of it tomorrow, or get really excited and do the whole thing today and send me all your answers. That's up to you. Until later, it's bye from me, and it's bye from them.
Bye.